The MyMonitor system is used to pay for the laundry and printing services at UTS. There are two ways you can top up your MyMonitor credit, either online or at one of the recharge stations around UTS. To top up online, go to this link. Then use your UTS student ID and password to log in. You can also get here by tapping on the MyMonitor link in the UTS Housing mobile app. Next, click on the Add Value button and select the amount of credit you want to add. Then just enter your payment details and click Pay. You may also top up at one of the recharge stations that can be found around UTS. Recharge stations may be found at the following locations: you will need your UTS student ID and a bank card. The Student Print Center in Building 10, Level 2 will also allow you to top up using cash. Things to remember: if you need to do laundry before you receive your student ID, UTS Housing Reception can provide you with a temporary laundry payment card which you will need to top up with credit. Once you receive your student ID card, it may take up to 24 hours before you can start using it to pay for your laundry and printing. Please note that UTS Housing Reception cannot top up your MyMonitor credit. If you have any other issues with your MyMonitor account, please contact UTS IT support.